And now let's try to move down here. You can see dynamic links over here. So whenever you tap on this particular screen for the first time, you will be getting a screen where there is an option called get started. Tap on that particular button, get started, and you will be getting this particular screen. So as I have already created a dynamic link here, you can see it is showing me that particular link here, and you can also add your own link. If you are not having any host address, you can just make use of your project name dot page dot link here. So here you can see new dynamic link I am trying to create. Start I am providing here, and tap on the next button. So here I am going to provide my URL like https google.com, and here I am just trying to name it like Google. And here, what needs to be done when you open this particular link in an iOS device. So in the coming tutorial we will be seeing how we can handle a dynamic link in iOS application. So for now I am just trying to open it in our browser itself. So tap on the next button, and in this tutorial we are seeing deep link behavior in Android application. Tap on this particular thing and select the application. So this is a deep link. So previously we have added our application, right there. I have specified, you can specify your own project name. Project name will be appearing here, select that one. If your application is not installed on the user device, for example, as we have discussed, whenever you have shared an Amazon link to your friend, if Amazon application is not installed on their device, so it will ask you to install the application first. It will directly redirect to the Google Play Store, and there it will open to the Amazon application and it will ask you to install. Or else you can just open a custom URL here as we have specified above our google.com, but we want to open it in our application only. If application is not installed, it will be going to the Play Store page and it will ask you to download the application, and then only it will open. So now tap on the next button here, and here you can see this is a social media tags. For example, whenever you copy a particular link from YouTube or any other website and you try to share it with your friends on WhatsApp, and whenever you paste the link in the chat box, you can see some more data is being added to your message, like what is the link about, title, description, and all those things will be coming up, right? So here this is that particular section, and this is again completely optional. You may add or you may not add, it's your wish again. So I'm just going to create a dynamic link now. Our link is being now created. So here this is our link which we have created just now. So now open your Chrome again and try to open the URL, and it will be opening your application here. So this is a simple way for you to open a deep link in your application. As our application is already installed in our mobile, so it is automatically opening our application. And if it is not installed, and if our application is present in Play Store, it will be redirecting to Play Store, and from there it will ask you to download it and install it. In this vlog we will try to see the concept of deep linking in Flutter application. So what is a deep linking and why do we use it? So whenever you try to open an application, you will tap on the icon and you will open the application, and you will move to the required screens based upon your app services. So what if you want to make the app open and automatically redirect to a particular page, and you want to send this, you want to share this page with your friend, and whenever your friend tap on that particular link, the application, if not installed, should go to Play Store and install the application. And when once the application is installed, when you tap on that particular link, the exact page needs to be opened. For example, in your application you are having 5 screens like profile, settings, about, help. So I just want to open the help screen, and the user may not aware where the help screen is exactly. So with the help of a link you can directly open the help screen. And also a real-time example, like in Amazon or Flipkart, whenever you are having a particular product you have searched and you want to share that particular product with your friend, so he need not search again from all the available products, right? You can just share the product there, and whenever he tries to open the link in his mobile, then there will be an option like whether you want to open a browser or you want to open in the particular application. So whenever you tap on the application, your Amazon application will be opened up and will be directly redirected to that particular product page instead of showing home page and all the other options. So I think you know understood what is a deep link.